Water is in all living things, whether they live at the bottom of the ocean or at the driest desert. Water made life possible on Earth. But on average, a person unknowingly wastes up to 30 gallons of water every day, and some of us do not know the real value of water. If you want to know the real value of water, imagine the world with no water for one day, or visit Atacama Desert for once, where every drops of water are count. The Atacama Desert. The driest place on Earth is a plateau in South America which covers 1,600 kilometers in Pacific coast. It is the place with the average rainfall of only 15 millimeters, which happens once in 5 years or sometime in 12 years. The people of Atacama Desert were ungettable of safe drinking water. Wells, cistern, as well as they were depend upon their municipality for water. Municipality provides them water, but they have to pay it. Also, by paying for water, sometime they have to wait 2 months or more because of dryness in these regions is so extreme. Uncertainty of water makes agriculture impossible. We can't imagine the condition faced by people of Atacama. Living in Atacama was so tough. Even ESA, European Space Agency, has conduct programs related to Mars exploration in Atacama because it has a quite similar condition as Mars, which is old, dry and hot. But thanks to Cloudcatcher, the life of Atacama is a bit easier now. Cloudcatcher or fog catcher is a simple device which have net of polypropylene attached on it that efficiently capture the blowing fog, and because of gravity, small and big droplets are pulled down and collected in containers of every house in the village. We know if there is blue there will be green, so now people of Atacama can extract fresh water for drinking and use that same water for agriculture. Now people of Atacama are more happier than ever. Today we learn every difficult problems comes with simple solution. Little by little you will be able to solve the problems and learn to survive this life, so do not panic, stay calm and keep hustling.